Good day, everyone. In today's episode, I want to thank all the machinists, welders, and fabricators in the pump manufacturing industry. Without their experience and expertise, we would not have reached the industrial age. Although welding, in one form or another, has existed since the Bronze Age, it's only within the past 100 years or so that it has found its way into more than 50% of all man-made products. One of the most significant advancements in welding was the introduction of automatic welding and welding fluxes during World War II. Next, the most widely used gas tungsten arc welding was developed in 1941. 20 years later, robotic welding evolved when General Motors developed the first robotic welder used in manufacturing. It was massive, weighing in at 2 tons, and was created to spot weld on automobiles in production. It's a fact. Welding is a career that is always in demand. It is used in manufacturing, construction, and nearly every industry in between. With the demand for qualified welders at an all-time high, many careers in welding come with excellent compensation, benefits packages, and room for advancement. Special thanks to the fabrication team at Precision Pumping Systems for allowing us to capture the incredible pictures and videos used in today's news story. That's all for now. This is the PPS Pump Geek signing off. This has been an important message from the PPS Pump Geek. Have a nice day.